Hello guys! Have you ever wanted to make beautiful and realistic landscapes in Blender? Well, you have come to the right place. First things you need to do is to click here on Edit, Preferences, and under Add-ons, you need to write here Landscape and add this. Make sure you do have this on. This must be selected and you need to click Shift A, Mesh, and Landscape. On this left corner, you need to click on it and choose some of these presets. Of course, you don't need to choose some of these presets, but I would definitely recommend it. It's way easier like that. Let's look at mountains, or what can we use? Technocell looks quite nice. Well, I think that you can explore this on your own. So what I will choose is probably Canyon. Yes, that looks quite nice. And explore this setting. So we can already adjust some material, and I will use snow. And if you are interested in how to make this snow, which I have right here, well, you can't see it because it's not very well lit. Then you can check out my second tutorial, which is very short, and you will explore that just how to make this kind of snow. But let's get back to these settings. Subdivisions basically means how detailed it will be and how many polygons it will have. As you can see here, it's not very high, but if I can increase it to 300 each, it now has way more polygons and it even looks way more detailed, as you can see. Here you can increase mesh size, but that's not very important, I would say. But right here is when fun starts. Noise setting. You can experiment with it, try whatever you just want. Basically every time when I do it, I just experiment because why not, like, right? It's just about fun. But this, if you want some kind of basic things, I would recommend leave it on Marble and Blender right here in noise. War noise can be usable, but I think that most of the time it will work just with Blender and Berlin. This is called noise base, and this is noise type. Here in random seed, you can select how randomly generated it will be. If you played Minecraft, you know what I'm talking about. And right there, we can skip that. It's not important. So the next important thing is height, which means how high will these mountains be. So let's say that we want a very high mount. And you can see what it did. Here you can see where will be maximum height and minimum height, but that looks quite nice. Alright, let's say that you have your landscape nice and done, but you want there some special places, something that is owned for your, which means not randomly generated. So there is a little trick I will teach you. Well, we will start with scaling it all up, looking from camera point of view. Yeah, right like this. Let's see how detailed it is. Quite a wonderful thing. And now you will click over here to object and go for sculpt mode. Let's not have texture there. Then you will choose grab mode and grab brush. And with right click you can increase space or strength, it's up to you. And then you can change and manually by hand modify how it looks like. Did I use grab brush? Yeah, I did. Let's say that there is a little problem and you will have to fight with it too, because I have symmetry turned on. So how to switch it off is quite simple. You need to go right here to brush setting, symmetry, and put this off. And then you can modify it just as you need to make it look nice and just how you need. Alright, my is almost done. So I will go for view camera, change that camera a little bit to have a nice view. Oh, come on. Oh, that's that's a little problem because I'm editing our environment, which is not what I want. So let's zoom out a little bit. Put this back to 0. Alright, we need to fix all these stupid things I did. And then let's put there some light and make a quick render. And here we are back with Eevee, and so make sure that you have ambient occlusion on and subsurface scattering if you want to use it. Let's put strand a little bit up again and render it. So that will be probably everything for this tutorial. I hope that it was at least a little bit helpful for you. As you can see, I have quite a lot of subsurface scattering here. But that can be fixed quite quickly. But I'm not gonna do it now because I'm sure you're not interested in it. So thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it at least a little bit, and write down what you are interested in, what you want me to make, and that's basically all. Have a nice day, have a nice night, have a nice everything. See ya.